Smart ways to invest $1,000 for maximum returns. Having $1,000 to invest is a great opportunity to begin building wealth. But the question remains, what's the best way to make your $1,000 grow? With so many investment options available today, it can be difficult to know where to start. The good news is, there are smart and effective strategies to make your money work for you. In this video, we'll explore the top ways to invest $1,000 for maximum returns, whether you're a beginner or have some experience in the investing world. Start with a high-yield savings account. Before diving into more complex investments, it's important to establish a secure foundation. One of the easiest ways to grow your $1,000 is by opening a high-yield savings account. These accounts often offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, meaning you can earn more on your balance over time without taking on risk. While the returns might not be as high as other investment opportunities, a high-yield savings account provides peace of mind. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Index funds and exchange-traded funds ETFs are popular choices for both beginner and seasoned investors looking for stable, long-term growth. By investing in an index fund, you can automatically diversify your portfolio with a variety of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which can be risky, index funds give you exposure to a wide range of companies across various sectors, reducing your overall risk. ETFs, which are similar to index funds, also offer diversification and are typically lower-cost investments. Both of these options are a great way to invest $1,000 in a way that grows steadily over time. The key to success with index funds or ETFs is patience. These types of investments tend to reward long-term investors. Consider dividend stocks. Dividend stocks can be an excellent way to make your $1,000 work harder for you. These stocks pay you a portion of the company's earnings regularly, usually quarterly or annually in the form of dividends. Over time, these payments can add up, and reinvesting those dividends can help you compound your returns. While investing in dividend stocks offers potential income, it's important to choose stocks from reliable companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Some companies even offer dividend reinvestment plans (DRIPs), allowing you to automatically reinvest your dividends back into more shares of the stock. This compounding effect can help grow your $1,000 into a larger sum over the years. Peer-to-peer lending. If you're willing to take on some more risk for the chance of higher returns, consider peer-to-peer P2P lending. P2P lending platforms, like Lending Club or Prosper, allow you to lend your $1,000 to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. These platforms act as intermediaries, assessing the creditworthiness of borrowers, and you can choose to invest in different loan grades depending on your risk tolerance. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has long been a profitable investment option, but it can often require substantial capital to get started. With real estate crowdfunding, you can invest as little as $500 or $1,000 in a real estate project or fund. Through platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in a variety of real estate projects, such as residential, commercial, or even land development. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to earn income through rental income or property appreciation without having to manage the properties yourself. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become a highly popular, though volatile, investment in recent years. If you're willing to take on some risk, investing a portion of your $1,000 in cryptocurrency might offer high rewards. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen massive gains in recent years, and many experts predict that digital currencies will continue to grow in importance. However, investing in cryptocurrency can be unpredictable. Prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods, which is why it's important to do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. A smart approach to investing in crypto is to diversify your holdings across multiple cryptocurrencies and to invest with a long-term mindset. Build a high-interest online savings account. While traditional savings accounts don't offer much growth, many online banks offer high-yield savings accounts with interest rates that are several times higher than those at brick-and-mortar banks. These accounts allow you to earn more on your $1,000 while keeping your money easily accessible. Online savings accounts are particularly advantageous for those who want a secure, low-risk place to park their money and still see it grow. Buy and hold individual stocks. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk, consider buying individual stocks in companies you believe will perform well over the long run. Buying and holding stocks can provide high returns, especially if you pick growth stocks companies that are expanding rapidly and have the potential for significant future gains. While individual stocks can be volatile, doing thorough research can help mitigate risk. Invest in yourself with education or skills training. One of the most powerful investments you can make is in yourself. Spending your $1,000 on learning new skills, certifications, or courses can increase your earning potential over time. Conclusion: there are countless ways to invest $1,000 for maximum returns, and the best option depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. From low-risk savings accounts to higher-risk options like cryptocurrency, the key is to choose an investment strategy that aligns with your personal situation. Whether you decide to invest in stocks, real estate, or education, each of these options has a potential to help you grow your wealth over time. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, stay consistent, and be patient. Your $1,000 investment can grow exponentially if you make informed decisions and stick with your strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on smart investing and building wealth. Keep working towards your financial goals and stay tuned for more videos.